Hey guys, it's Erica, and about a week ago I filmed a video on ordering plants off of Home Depot, and today is the day that they arrived to me. They are here in these two separate boxes, and I thought they weren't coming today, honestly, because I got a notification that my package was out for delivery at like 8 in the morning, and it got to me at like 8 at night. It's like 8 in the nighttime right now, and I was waiting for the plants the whole day, and I just thought UPS was gonna do me dirty and let it roll over to the next day, but no, they came, and I'm so happy. So we can finally unbox these babies. So let me tell you how long they were in the mail first of all, so we can kind of think about what they're gonna look like. My package was sent out on March 20th and it got to me on March 27th, so it's been in the mail for like 7 days, and now we're gonna see what these plants look like. I have my trusty table here. I've never ordered plants off of Home Depot before. I usually only shop in store, so this is the first time, and we're gonna see how it turns out in the end. But I'm so excited. This is really small. This package was like a pound, and it goes this way. I can feel it. My Home Depot receipt. So this is the burl marks in my 4-inch clay pot. I don't remember how much the plant was. It was, actually I do, it was around $15. They wrote on here like helpful information, like returning policy and whatnot, so that's kind of why I wasn't too nervous to order from Home Depot, because I feel like they have a pretty good return policy. So what is this? Certificate of inspection. Oh, I don't think I've ever gotten one of these before. Yeah, these are from Florida. Nematode certificate of inspection. Okay, so this is how it's packaged. You can see it has 2 stakes here to keep the box from kind of crumpling in on the plant, and it's wrapped in like styrofoam paper, if that makes sense. I can see some leaves. We're gonna pull it out. Oh, I forgot it's in a clay pot, so that's, come on. Ah! Here it is. Oh my gosh. And I'm gonna take out these stakes, and I'm gonna use them for future plants. And we're just gonna unwrap him gently. Oh my goodness. Let me. Oh, his leaves are crushed. Oh! I'm gonna have to vacuum after this. Look at him. His pot is very wet. I'm probably gonna repot him right now because that makes me very nervous. But his leaves look okay. They're very thin leaves. Oh my gosh, these are so thin. I wasn't expecting that. Sometimes plants kind of show their wear and tear like a couple of days after they get to you. Like you'll see when the creases start to show and whatnot. But I think he looks okay. He has a new leaf. Oh, look at him. He's been smushed. And you can see here a leaf that's supposed to be unfurling. It looks kind of yellowed, so I don't know how. I just spilled on my laptop. I don't know how that's gonna look, but I'm gonna 100% repot him because this pot he's in doesn't have a drainage hole, which I was aware of when ordering, and I did it anyways. But yeah, he feels very wet. He's in sphagnum moss. There's sphagnum moss on top, like a coating of sphagnum moss, and then soil inside. And I can see the green like fertilizer pellets falling everywhere. So we're gonna put him off to the side. He's looking pretty good. Like he's not dying. Well, maybe when we see the roots we'll see, but he's looking pretty good. Like pretty much how I expected him to come. And this box here probably has my other 2 plants. Oh my god. gosh, my Stromanthi. And there's packaging clothes, packaging list, this Florida stuff. And I guess I'll open him. He's like stapled shut, like a giant staple. This has packaging peanuts in it, which I'm not really a fan of. This one says it only has my Stromanthi in it, my 6-inch trio star. I think a plant is not here with me yet. Oh, it says, hello, nice to meet you. Have a long journey, and I'm so glad to be home. Please water me immediately. He's huge. Yes, peanuts all over. Okay. Here she is. She's massive. I really wasn't expecting it to be this big. And I think this one is looking a lot, well, except for this one leaf. Oh. Except for this one leaf, it's looking better than the, well, kind of, there's a little damage on some of the leaves. It's fine. She'll be okay. But oh my gosh, it's really big. Look at these beautiful pink leaves. And just like, I was expecting it to be like slightly bigger than this, but this is a whole, this is a whole plant. Like, wow. Oh my gosh. It said to water it immediately. I don't really know how I feel about that. It definitely needs a humidifier though. I washed my humidifier today, so I'm ready to put it to use. So this is the same situation as the philodendron. It has sphagnum moss on top of some soil, and I'm not watering this. This is really wet. I'm gonna get a moisture meter and we're gonna see how wet it is. That would be funny if it's not wet at all. Okay, we're gonna stick it in here through the sphagnum moss. Wow, there's a lot of fertilizer beads. That's a lot, right? Okay. Stick it in here if I can. Yeah, it's pretty wet. But it is a Stromanthi. It's at the 4. I think that's a good wetness. I wouldn't water it yet though. Oh, I might repot it because some of the roots are kind of poking out. I'm gonna clean up a little bit because there's a bunch of stuff everywhere. Okay, I'm gonna clean up a little bit. We're gonna be back. Here are the plants. These are only 2 out of the 3, which is kind of a disappointment because I wasn't really expecting them to come in 3 separate orders. Like, they didn't really say it would be 3 separate orders. They kind of made it sound like it would be one big order, or at least if they all arrived in the same day. But I also rather get like 2 soon and then 1 late than have all of them be late. But that's just one thing I'm really like sad about. And these honestly look like how I expected they would look. I wasn't expecting them to be perfectly, pristinely arriving to me. Yeah, this is honestly how I expected it, except for this plant. I thought it was going to be much smaller. This thing is huge. Oh my goodness. And I'm gonna show you guys close-ups of the plants so you can kind of see the condition that they're in. I actually want to test out this, see how wet it is. I feel like my moisture meter is not working right. I need to test my other one. But I'm definitely going to repot this. I don't think today I'm going to repot it. I'm going to let him settle in for a little bit and then I'll repot him. But yeah, so I'm going to give you guys a kind of closer up look so you can see exactly what I got. And then I guess I'm going to have another unboxing video for when the third plant comes, which is my pinstripe, my Calathea ornata, which is a plant that I already have. It's just not doing well. So I guess I'm glad that out of the 3 plants, these are the 2 that I got soonest. I love these pink, beautiful colors. This one looks a lot like a green emerald, but they do have differences about them. I'm really happy to have these. I'm really also sad that this pot doesn't have a hole. Again, I already knew it didn't, so that's 100% on me. But I just really love the color, so I'm probably gonna drill a hole in there because it's just like the cutest pot ever. So far, I would recommend shopping online at Home Depot. I really like the plant selection they have, and I think these shipped pretty well. They were in the mail for 7 days, so they look pretty good for being in the mail for 7 days. And you can see this guy's opening up. But yeah, so far, all good things, all good things. And I guess I'll have another video when I get my third plant. I'm probably gonna write reviews on these plants too. We'll see what I end up writing. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Stay safe, stay healthy, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!